Good morning student. Today we will see how to make the app of to-do list. Okay. So click on the project, click on start new project. The screen will be visible on your mobile screen. Now we'll start. Click on the screen. Give the app name to-do list. Okay. Change the title to-do list. Okay. Now upload a file. We are going to take one image to set the background. Okay, change the screen background. Go to the property of background image and select the image. Okay, so one image is set to the background. Now we will take one text box here. I will adjust the position of text box. Okay, then take two buttons. Add one image on the button. To insert the things, we will add a plus button. Go to the image property of button and add the image. It's too big, just adjust height and width. Okay, we'll delete the text for button 1. Okay, do the same for button 2. Upload an image. Now to delete the item from the list, we will select minus image, minus button image. Okay, add image here. Set the height and width. Okay, so you can see the two buttons here. Now we will take these two buttons in a line. So select horizontal arrangement. Adjust these two buttons inside it. Okay, now below that take list box, that is list view. Change the properties. Okay, now go to the storage. Select TinyDB here on the screen. TinyDB is a non-visible component, okay, which is used to store the data. Now what happened here? In the text box, we will type the things which we want to keep in the mind, okay. Then that things will be appear in the list box, okay. And these things means whatever you will type, it will save in a TinyDB. We'll go to the coding part. Click on the variable. Initialize a global variable, okay. In place of name you type the task, okay, means all tasks will be saved in this variable. Then click to the list view. And select create empty list, okay. Now click on button 1, that is we set a image of plus sign, okay. When we will click on the button 1, what will happen? Again click on that list. So we are going to add the items in the list. So select add items to the list. Okay, then go to the variable, get the variable, which one? That is global task. And this all data means whatever you will type in a text box, it will automatically transmit it to the list box. So select text box 1 dot text. Okay, then click on TinyDB database and select call TinyDB database and store the value. Go to the text, select empty, type here db task. Okay, then call the variable global task. Now click on list view and set list view 1 dot element and call the variable, that is global task, okay. So when we click on the plus sign, what will happen? Whatever you will type in a text box, it will automatically transfer to the list box and it will automatically save to the uh, TinyDB database. Now Click on list view. When list view after picking, click on list, select remove list items, call the variable, then again click on the list, so, call list view dot select index, then again click on tiny database, db task. Okay, call the variable, okay. Now click on the screen, when screen will initialize, that time set global task to type here db task and go to the list, create empty list. Okay, so this is of our program. Whatever you will type in a text box, it will save automatically in a db database, and it will automatically transfer to the list. Okay, now we will run this program. Click on build, click on Android app apk. Okay, so this is your app. Now whatever you want to keep in the mind, type in this to do list. Okay, suppose today you want to complete the homework of English, add to do list. Then suppose you want to do the drawing, add to do list. Okay, after drawing, your friend is calling for playing, so playing with friend, so add this in a to-do list. So in this way you can add the items in the to-do list. If you want to remove it, just click on it, it gets removed. Okay, so in this way, this is all about the app.